Dude, that's crazy looking.
Go ahead.
Yeah, can I get a bean burrito and a crispy taco?
What else today?
That'll be it.
That's the window. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, so it's pretty warm earlier. We have a storm blasting through. This is a part of the outflow of the storms. It looks like a little bit of rotation there. But I think that's because we have the... I don't know what I'm talking about. As if I know anything about this, but yeah, that's what you call low-level dynamics, but I think since there's not enough lift in the atmosphere and there hasn't been a lot of daytime heating and the storms aren't individualized, there's probably not a tornado threat. But since there's low-level dynamics interacting with the heating of the day and everything, and I'm on the cool air side, there's definitely some rotation there. It's weak. I mean, if it was more organized, you could put out, like, you know, a land spout or something. But it's definitely got gate-to-gate rotation. It's very slow though, maybe like, you know, 40 miles per hour combined with the two of them, maybe more. But yeah, that's beautiful. That's incredible. But yeah, if there's more wind and the storm is more individual and the storm system is moving faster and it happened later in the day, there could be a chance for more, you know, more severe weather. But this storm coming through here is pretty weak. That's definitely some rotation there. It's interesting. That's really cool looking.